Welcome, this is Patricia. Today I'll introduce you to GPT-4.1. GPT-4.1 is an AI model that can understand and generate text, answer questions, and even write computer code. Compared to older versions, GPT-4.1 follows your instructions more closely and handles longer text better. To get the best results from GPT-4.1, follow these 3 main tips. Give examples. Show the AI what you want by including a sample answer in your prompt. Be specific and clear. The clearer your instructions, the better the response you'll get. Encourage planning. Ask the AI to plan its steps before answering. This helps it think more logically. For example, instead of just saying, "Write a product description," try, "Write a short product description for a waterproof backpack." Use an enthusiastic tone and list 3 key features. First, plan your answer. It is very good at following your instructions exactly as you write them. It will do exactly what you ask as long as your instructions are clear and not confusing. Remember, the more clearly you explain what you want, the better the AI can help you. With GPT-4.1, you can ask the AI to work like an assistant, handling complex tasks step by step. This is called an agentic workflow. To make this work well, remind the AI to keep working until the job is completely done. Tell the AI to use tools if it's unsure instead of guessing. Ask the AI to plan before acting and explain its steps. For example, you can say, "Keep going until my question is fully answered. Use tools when you need to and explain your plan before each step." It solves problems better if you ask it to think step by step. This is called chain of thought. How to use this? Tell the AI, think step by step before answering. Ask it to break down the problem into small parts and explain its reasoning. Example: let's solve this step by step. First, find out what we know, then what we need to find, and finally, explain the answer. With chain of thought, you get clearer and more reliable results. It reads and processes very long documents, even up to 1 million words or more. To help the AI work well with long texts, give clear instructions at the beginning and end of your prompt. Summarize the most important points so the AI knows what to focus on. If you want the AI to use only the information you give, say, "Only use the text I provided." If you want it to use its own knowledge too, let it know. When working with long or complex prompts, use delimiters like headings, tags, or symbols to clearly separate different sections of your text. This helps GPT-4.1 understand your instructions better and keeps your prompts organized. Remember, every clear prompt you write is a step forward in your AI journey. Don't be afraid to experiment and learn new things. In the world of AI, every beginner can grow strong and creative. Just keep exploring and enjoy your progress.